Hello there, Math Leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptotes. Let's solve it together. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals -5. Which of the following could be an expression for x? So if you're talking about a rational function, rational functions consist of numerators and denominators. So a over b. And in the denominator, we will have a vertical asymptote. So its vertical asymptote is all about denominator. So we must have an expression when we solve for x by making it equal to 0. That's going to give us -5, which is x plus 5, because when you solve x plus 5 by making it equal to 0 for x, take away 5 from both sides, x is -5. So then we're looking for the choices with the denominator in x plus 5 in it. So in the choice A, we don't have x plus 5 in the denominator. We can go ahead and eliminate the choice A. Choice B, we have x plus 5 in the denominator. So we can go ahead and use this one. In the choice C, we don't have x plus 5 in it. Eliminate the choice C. And then choice D, we don't have x plus 5. This has also vertical asymptote at x equals 2, but they still is the answer because they didn't say only vertical asymptote at x equals -5. That's why we can still accept choice B for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.